This is the Leetonia, I think is how it's pronounced. Coke ovens. Beehive coke ovens. It says there are over 200 of them, and I wrote this down. They were constructed in 1866 by the Leetonia Iron and Coal Company. If I'm saying that wrong, please forgive me. I'm not the best at pronunciation. Blast furnaces, rolling mill, and they closed in 1930. Look how huge these things are. This one's more open than the other, and there's a hole in the top of each of them. It's just so amazing. And it did 250 tons of coal into coke. And for those of you, that's per day. So for those of you who don't know what that coke is in history, and I don't mean cocaine, coke is a porous gray hard fuel with high carbon content and fuel impurities, made by heating coal or oil in the absence of air. Here's some kind of equipment. I'm going to guess some kind of a mining car, excuse me, that would bring the coal from the mines. I'm not much about coal. Don't have much knowledge. There'll be a couple short videos. They probably won't all be put on at the same time onto my YouTube channel, Exploring with Bonnie. But if you want to see the whole thing, you'll have to watch them all.